Okay, so I wanted to do an unboxing video today. I got a new box in the mail. I'm excited. It was good stuff. It's BH Cosmetics. I have never gotten anything from them before, so I'm excited about it. I actually don't even remember what I got, but yes, this is what's about to happen. This was about to be opened. Okay, I got my handy dandy box cutter. Let's do this. Okay, sorry for the sound effects. Okay. Ooh. I like that packaging. That's really cute. I like that. Okay, so order list. This is all the stuff I got. The first thing I see is this. It's a little info sheet. This travel series available now. Ooh. Okay. Well, these are cute. Okay, I might have to, well, if I like these, then I'm gonna do it again, so pull this out. Everything is very well protected in here. Let's just do. Oh no! So I got the thingy out. First thing I see. Ew. Okay, so this says, I'm sorry, can you see it's Royal Affair 5-piece liquid set. Liquid linen set. Okay. And it comes in this cute little, that's really cute. Oh my god, I like that. That's super cute. I think I'm gonna enjoy this. Alright, ooh, I see something bright. Y'all know I like bright colors. Sorry. Color Festival. It is a 20 color shadow palette. Anybody who knows me, y'all know I love color palettes. So, we have this. It's a nice package. I love it. The next thing I got is, it's called Quick Change. Just quickly change from one color to the next. Okay, so you got that. There's the instructions. I don't know if you can see it, but those I was excited about. Take Me Back to Brazil. This has some really cute bomb colors. I love bright colors. Anybody, y'all know me, I like bright bold colors, so this is gonna be super cute. I can't wait. So we have the classic blush. These are 10 blushes. I got this because I actually don't have, I think I have like one blush. That's it. And I don't really have blushes, so I don't use blush, and I would like to start. So these are nice. 10 little colors. I like them already. Okay, and then the last one. You know I like big color palettes. The Foil Eyes 28 colors. Cute, cute, cute. I really love the packaging on these. And got this cleaning brush pad. I love brush pads. I actually don't have anything to clean my brushes right now. I know that's really bad, so I went ahead and I got it. And then, ooh, glitter. I love glitter. So there's the glitter. And here's another glitter. Yay. Alrighty. So that's it. That's my BH Cosmetics. Stay tuned for other videos in which I actually use them. So, see you later.